Hi friends, I'm Mr. Ben, and this is Science Explorers. Today, we're going to be talking about melting ice. With winter having just passed, we saw all the snow melt away. So how did that happen exactly? Well, the sun gave the energy to the snow, which turned it into water, and that seeped into the ground, and thus the snow melted away. But during winter, it was far, far too cold to get rid of the snow and ice. So how did we keep the roads clear? Well, if you remember, we use salt. So how exactly does that work? How does salt melt the snow? Well, today we're going to do a little experiment and figure that out. What we're going to need is salt, sugar, ice, a teaspoon, and some plates. So here we are ready to conduct our experiment. We have our salt, we have our sugar, and we have what's called a control. We want to see how fast the ice melts all by itself. That way we can compare it to how fast it melts with the salt and how fast it melts with the sugar. Now I've chosen sugar because it looks a lot like salt, so maybe it will act a lot like salt. Alright friends, we're all set and ready to go. I'm going to add my salt and sugar, and we're going to let this experiment play out. Well friends, it looks like the salt won. I thought sugar was going to do a little bit better, but surprisingly it actually lasted longer than the regular ice all by itself. So how does that work? Well, salt, when it combines with water, actually has a lower freezing point, which means that it melts a lot easier, which means it can be a lot colder and you can have salt water. That's why we put salt in the roads. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I wanted to give a little update for those of you that joined us for our rock candy video. So this is the jar that I used. My rock candy didn't come out all that great, but as you can see, it's been about an extra week, so about 2.5 weeks total. And the inside of my jar is pretty crystally. So probably should have added a little bit more food coloring though. Alright, well, there it is.